Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add clock widget in Windows 10. So first step you need to do is to come onto this website Rainmeter, and you need to download the latest version of the Rainmeter. So once you download Rainmeter you can see some skins, so you simply need to unload skins like this. I already installed Rainmeter. So once you done that you need to come onto this website visualskins.com/skins/slash allegiant clock, and you need to download clock from here. So once you complete that you simply need to come here and you need to open the this Rainmeter, and here you can see allegiant clock. So you simply need to click here. So you have two options, dark clock and light clock. So I want light clock on this dark, then you need to click on load, and now you can see watch here, you can move this anywhere wherever you want. So this is the process how you can add clock widget in Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.